Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off retraction in Creality print. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Uh, so firstly, as you already know, you need an model into it. Now what we are going to do is look at the left side where you see your printer, and next to the name of your printer you will see this pencil. So click on that, basically preset edit. Now that it's open up, we need to select extruder right here and basically scroll down to retraction, as you can see right here. Now here you can uncheck the box labeled enable retraction, but if you don't see that box, simply what you can do is set retraction length, so this first one, to 0. And just like that, after that, save, and that's it. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next.